Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check out the Privacy Hub using Gemini AI. Go to your Gemini AI and click on the three lines over there and then go to Help and you can see the Privacy Hub. Let me show it to you again. Go to Help, go to Privacy Hub, and then you can read all of the Privacy Hub features and table of contents which is provided by Gemini apps. You can view on it by clicking on the link, and it is quite informative if you want some good data. You can see that there's a lot of things. There are even privacy questions and a lot of questions being asked, and a lot of confusion can be cleared if you can go to the Privacy Hub and go and look at it. It is used for feedback, location, users information, and all of it. So go ahead and go and search the Privacy Hub to know what you are dealing with. So this was a video on how you can view the Privacy Hub in Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.